Hi, welcome to the video on long-run shutdown rules for a firm. So I was looking at the local newspaper and there was a story that the local ABC store is set to close. And in the article, the article mentions that this ABC location lost $3,000 in 2014, $12,000 the next year, $8,000 the following year, $10,000 the next year. So losses every year. This illustrates why firms close. Firms close in the long run simply when they're losing money. And this ABC store in Grifton is no exception to that rule. So let's talk about this long run shutdown rule for a firm. Long run, firms shut down if they're losing money. So what does it mean if you're losing money? That means that your profit is less than zero. Recall the definition of profit. That's total revenue minus total cost is less than zero. Well, you can rearrange this, get your total cost on the other side of that greater than sign. So add total cost to both sides. This will get you simply a firm wants to close in the long run whenever total revenue is less than total cost. And the definition of total revenue is price times quantity. How do you find total cost? Well, two different ways. Fixed cost plus variable cost is total cost, or you can have your average total cost and multiply that by Q to get total cost. So to derive then finally the long run shutdown rule for a firm, divide both sides by Q. So this gets rid of our Q's from both sides of the expression, and you're simply left with this price less than ADC rule, which I put here in red. This is when a firm closes in the long run. If its price is less than its average total cost, that means the firm is losing money. Long run, a firm's not going to lose money. So this reminds me of the difference between the long run and short run. There's a separate video on this topic alone, but a short summary of that video is as follows. Long run, every input can be changed. Short run, at least one input is fixed or you have a fixed cost. So long run, no fixed cost. Long run, if you close, you lose zero because you have no fixed cost. That's the comparison point that a firm has to consider in the long run. Why would they lose money in the long run if they could simply close and lose nothing? So that's what firms do. If they lose money in the long run, they close. If they break even or make money, they stay open. This is the long run shutdown rule. Close whenever price is below average total cost.